Today we're testing a complete PNI surveillance system. At the center of it is the PNI House IP716J PO NVR, a 4K network video recorder with 16 channels, including 8 PoE and 8 IP channels. We'll test it together with a dedicated CCTV hard drive and a PoE switch, for situations where you want to expand the system with more cameras. Inside the box, we find the NVR, the power adapter, the mouse, useful for navigating through the NVR menu when connected to a monitor, and the screws for mounting the hard drive. To install the HDD, remove the 4 screws on top of the NVR. Lift the cover. Connect the 2 cables, power and SATA, then secure the hard drive inside using the included screws. After closing the case, we place the NVR on the table and add the PoE switch next to it. We'll use a PNI Cat7 flat network cable with RJ45 connectors. Connect one end of the cable to the left port of the switch, and the other end to the network port of the NVR. This links the 2 devices together. In the right port of the switch, connect the Ethernet cable that goes to your router, to provide internet access. Then plug in the power adapters for both devices. For setup, connect the HDMI cable from the NVR to a monitor or TV, and plug in the mouse to the USB port. For this demonstration, we use 3 PNI cameras, the IP818J, IP515J, and IP808J, all fully compatible IP cameras. On screen, we can now see the NVR interface. We go through the initial configuration steps and access the main menu, where we can view camera feeds, set up recording, or configure network options. In the main menu, you'll also find a QR code for the XMI mobile app. Scan the code, install the app, and add your NVR. Since we're using PoE cameras, they're automatically detected and instantly available for live viewing directly from your phone. A complete, stable, and easy-to-configure surveillance solution, perfect for both home and business use. PNI House IP716J PO NVR. Part of PNI's professional surveillance range.